Hello guys, today I will show you how to turn on Smart Backup on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and do the like in the video. Let's start. First step is to open Snapchat. Then when Snap is opening guys, you go here on your profile, then click. And when your profile is opening guys, you will go here to settings and click again. And then you will have a list of options. You will go to memories, then you will open memories, then here you will find Smart Backup. So you will turn on this option by clicking in this icon here like this, and that's it. It will work with you. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.